Now it's like 11 p.m. and I'm recording this video right now. So coming to my JEE mains, how I attempted it. To be honest, I didn't do well in my JEE mains, and I don't want to lie or cover it up. I didn't attempt it the way I should have done, and yeah, so my father isn't at all happy with that. And honestly, I understand why, and that's real. So yeah, and right now, like, life is about to cook me, and I don't know how bad it's going to get, and I don't even know whether the path that I have chosen is right or wrong, and I don't even know whether all this hard work is worth it or not. But yeah, but one thing is clear, that no matter how hard life hits me or how badly I fail, I'll still show up every day, not because I'm motivated, but because it's my responsibility. As I have chosen this path as my career option, I need to be showing up every day, regardless of how I feel, and I'll be definitely working on it. And like, I'm not here to pretend like I have figured out everything. I'm here to walk through this struggle, and openly I just share everything that I'm facing and that I'm suffering with, so that you can learn something from that. And yeah, so if life cooks me, let it happen. I'll take it, I'll learn from it, and I'll keep on moving. So yeah, this is just the beginning. Let's see what happens in future. So stay strong, stay consistent, don't lose your hopes. You can definitely achieve a great physique. And thank you so much for watching.